Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will learn and troubleshoot how to change the hard drive. Okay, this is the hard drive I need to change and insert this into my laptop. So how I can do this? First shut down your system, okay, and close this, and you need to look here. Okay, there might be the hard drive from here, or you can completely need to open this. Okay, so let me unscrew these drivers. So this is the Dell laptop I am using and I need to change its hard drive. So unscrew all the pages like this. Okay, and this as well. Okay, so this is the hard drive. Okay, we need to change it. So unscrew all the pages from here. You can see I have already unscrew all the pages, but let me show you how you can do that. Unscrew these pages, okay, like this. And okay, this is the RAM, okay, and this is the Wi-Fi card, and this is the hard drive. Okay, we need to change this. Push it from the side and you can see the hard drive is okay, free now. You can see here. Then we need to remove this cable, so gently push this all over like this. Okay, okay, this is the hard drive and we are going to change it to from this. Okay, from here we need to push it like this. Make sure it is attached properly, and okay, okay, so unscrew these pages as well since it's not fitting here. Okay, like this. This is the case of hard drive, so we need to also use this. Okay, okay, and we need to put it this like this. Okay, we are almost done here. Done. Okay, so this is how you can change your hard drive. So hope your issue is fixed now. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you, thanks for watching.